Hello friends, in this lecture we will see in how many ways we can include styles in our web pages. If you remember, in our HTML section we were declaring styles inside elements only, and that is known as inline style. Now we have seen another way of including styles, which is including styles inside style tag, which is inside head tag. So first of all, let me create an HTML file. Now inside body, let's indent properly. Let's write h1 and write here say John. Again, I am repeating. So the first one is inline style, and how you can do that? You need to write here a style attribute, and inside that let's write here color red and then provide a semicolon. Save it. Now come to your browser and hit refresh. See, the John color is red. Now you can provide the same using internal style. Now what is internal style? Let's add a style tag inside head tag, and inside style let's write here say P color blue, but there are no paragraphs, right? So it will not be implemented. So let's include one P I am blue. Let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. I am blue and it's blue. Makes sense. So this is inline style, this one, and this is internal style. Now there is another way of including style, and that is external style. How you can use external style? For using external styles, you need to create a new file with an extension .css. So let's first create it. So go to file, new file, let's save it as style.css. Let's save it. Here is our style.css, and here let's write style, say body is a selector of course, and let's make a background color. Let's make a background color of this body, say green. I know it will not look nice, but just for example, let's hit refresh. See, nothing happens because we need to include this style in our page. We have created a new file that is style.css, and we have mentioned a style here, but we didn't include it in our page, in our HTML page. So there is a way of including it. How? Just after title, write here link, rel equals style sheet, type equals text/css, and href equals, this is the place where you will link it. Now link it to the file name, that is style.css. Now save it and hit refresh. Now see, the background is green. Oh my god, it's really looking odd, I guess, right? So now again I am repeating, that is how you can include external styles to your page. Here is the way. Link, rel equals style sheet, type equals text/css, href equals style.css. Here is the link. Now say for example the style.css is inside another folder. Let me create a new folder and let's save it as style. So here is a style folder, but it's empty. So what we will do, let's create a new file inside style and let's save it as say style1.css, and let's add here some styles. P, font size say 50 pixel, which is kind of big. I am making it intentionally so as to make it noticeable. Now we need to include it, right? So come here and let's mention it after style only. So link rel equals style sheet, type equals text slash css. Now here is the linking. So how you will link it? So href equals slash the folder name style, again slash style dot style 1 dot css. You can even remove this slash also. Now let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. See, it's big. Let's add here slash and let's see how it looks. See, it's not working. So there is no need to provide slash, just the folder name, then slash, and then the file name. And let's come here and hit refresh. Yep, it's big again. Now there is something that I need to tell you. That is, you have 3 style linking. One is here, style.css, another is internal style, and another is style1.css. Let's have a style which is having same property but different value. Yes. So let's maximize it. Let's come to style.css. Body background color green is there. Let's copy it. Now mention it here also and change it to yellow. And here also let's add this one. So what do you think what will happen? First we have style.css where we have mentioned background color green. Then we have internal style. So first one is external style. Then we have an internal style where we have mentioned background color. Oops, it's green again. So let's make it red. So it's red now. And then we have mentioned style1.css which is yellow. So what do you think which style it will take? Let's refresh. It's yellow. Why? Let me come to the web page. So as I have told you already that if you have same property mentioned multiple times and it has different value, then it will take the last one. So first we have style.css, then internal style, and then another that is style1.css. And inside style1.css we have mentioned background color yellow, and it is the last one, and hence it is taking this background color yellow and it is implementing it there. Now let me delete it. So let's cut it, save it, and now hit refresh. You will see now the background color will become red. Oh my god, it's dangerous. So it is the concept, that is, whenever you are mentioning same style multiple times and with different value, it will take the last one. Now let's come here inside body and provide a style of background color background color colon yellow. Let's save it. Now you will see the background color is again changing to yellow. So how you can prioritize style sheets? First priority is the internal style. Yes, because it is mentioning inside body only. So when it is parsing, as other styles, I mean the internal styles and the external style sheets all are mentioning inside head. So when a document is being parsed inside HTML, so first it is reading all the styles that are inside head, and then it is coming to the body section, and when it is encountering some styles, it is incorporating that style instead of incorporating the styles which are mentioned earlier. So that is why inline styles will have the highest priority. But there is a disadvantage of using inline style. Let me illustrate you an example. Say for example, here you have only one paragraph. But in a web page, you will not have only one paragraph. You will have multiple paragraphs, numerous paragraphs, and you want to have same style for all of those paragraphs. So what you need to do in case of inline style, you need to mention everything inside style attribute at all the paragraphs that are inside body. That's really a hectic job, isn't it? It's really tiring. Instead, you can mention it either in your internal style or in an external style sheet. But it's a good practice to use external style sheet. Yes, friend. Because whenever you will be doing a project, whenever you will be doing any project, you will come across websites that will have many body contents. And if you mention there the styles, it will be really a kind of mess. And hence, it's a good practice to include external style sheet. Yes, and in that case, you can manage styles in another file and HTML content in another file. So that's it. I hope that you have learned a little bit and also you have cleared your concept about how many ways you can include CSS styles and which one to prefer when. And what's the advantage of inline style and what is the disadvantage of inline style. So that's it, friends. If you have any query, feel free to ask. That's it. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.